So we've always had a quality manager role that was instituted by Pat O'Brien years and years ago, but the massive growth of mission critical over the last, I would say, 2 years really initiated our drive to we need to get a position around this.
We're placing an extra emphasis on what matters most to our customers. When we're in the room with a customer and owner and they see that what's important to them is what's important to us, it really changes the conversation. They see a bind, a tie together that we're looking for the same outcomes.
The response from the owners has been spectacular. Hi, my name is Byron. I'm the Quality Control Manager at Rogers O'Brien for the Mission Critical team. I help to manage quality, make sure that we're giving consistent, good product to our client.
If I had to explain it to like somebody like my mom, which I have, I'd usually just say, we focus on quality. We focus on delivering something that meets standards, that exceeds expectations.
Any quality problems that get installed and we don't catch it in time, that's going to shift back to schedule, that's going to impact costs. A lot of GCs will say that quality is most important, but here at Rogers O'Brien, we built a room for it.
The Q is a great idea that we developed to create a physical space to encourage collaboration and teamwork. Putting people together in the same room, analyzing the same information, and coming together with some decisions that are going to create positive outcomes on the job.
The Q plays an important role in the quality process because it allows for people who might not feel so comfortable asking quality questions that they think they should know the answer to, but they just don't feel comfortable in an environment to come in and feel that way. There's a couch, there's soft lighting, there's some nice aromas going on. It's one of those, no question is a dumb question in this type of environment.
When I started doing quality control inspections, I got to see the importance of planning, pre-planning inspections, because rework is something that we hate to do and our clients hate to pay for. I don't know if he can keep that. That's why we do a 3-phase inspection plan. We have a preparatory meeting, an initial inspection, and then we do several follow-up inspections throughout the way, because on a building like this, you don't want anything to get missed.
There's a balance of schedule and quality, and sometimes quality is the first temptation to let go, but at the end of the day, the quality is what gets them coming back. You can get 99 things out of 100 right, but they'll remember the one you miss at the end.
There's 100% dedication from the whole organization around quality and moving this department forward. And we'll have these roles on every campus, and it'll really bring up the bar on what we're delivering and what we're standing behind, right? We're gonna double down on this, and we're gonna get better at it, and we're gonna do it together.